Going. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the zombie from Plants vs. Zombies. So, to start off drawing the zombie, we're going to start towards the top of our paper, and I'm going to start off with a circle. So right up here, I'm just going to draw a circle shape like this. Then, right underneath the circle, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a little bit of a curved line like this. And then on the inside, I'm just going to make a very small dot. Now, over here, I'm going to draw another circle, and I want to make sure that this one is a little bit smaller. So I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to draw a smaller circle right there. And then I'm going to put a small dot in there going up just a little bit. And then I'm going to draw that same little curved line right there. Now, right in between the eyes, we're going to make the nose. So for the first part, I'm going to make a little oval that's colored in. And then over here, I'm going to make another little oval that's covered in like that. Now, up here, I'm going to draw a little diagonal line. And then I'm going to make a curved line that comes all the way around here. Just like that. Then I'm going to draw in a little bit for the side of the face. Then I'm just going to draw down a little bit. Now over here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, or out and then down like that. Then I'm just going to go in a little bit. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight across. And then I'm going to curve it down like this for the mouth. Then I'm going to come straight across right down here. And then I want to add some details in there. So first, right here, I'm going to make a little rectangle shape for one tooth. Then I'm going to make another one over here for another tooth. Then I'm going to draw a curved line in here for the tongue. Then up here, I'm going to draw another rectangle shape for another tooth. Then behind it, I'm going to draw a little curved line to show like the gum. And then I'm just going to put two more little rectangle shapes right in there for some more teeth. Now, in between these two teeth, I'm going to draw two lines going down. And then I'm going to draw the bottom lip. So starting right here by this tooth, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then down. Then I'm going to go over just a bit. Then for the chin, I'm just going to go down, over, and then I'm going to connect it with a diagonal line right there. Then I'm going to draw a little line like this. And then I want to connect this part of the mouth right there. So next we need to draw some details in here. So first, he kind of has like a unibrow. So I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then curves back up like this. And then I'm going to put one more small one right there. Now over here, I'm going to make a little squiggly line, kind of like an S for like his jawbone. Then we got to give him some hair. So right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then up and then out for one hair. Then I'm going to put another little curved one right here. Then a real small one right there. Then up here, there's going to be one that goes up and then out. Then a big curved one right here. And a little curved one right there. Then up here, I'm going to draw one that goes up, over, and then out like this. Then we're going to do a little curved one right here. And then a couple more little curved ones right there. So that's the basic shape of his face and the details. So now let's work on the body. So right here, I'm going to make a little triangle line that goes down and then comes back up, kind of like a V. That's going to be his little shirt collar. And then right here next to it, I'm going to draw a line that curves down and then up. And that's going to be the start of his tie. So then I'm going to draw a line that goes down at a diagonal. And then another one that goes down at a diagonal. Then I'm going to connect these with a big V shape like this. Now he has stripes on his tie, so I'm going to draw a few little stripes on here. Just like this. Now coming back up here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves down a little bit. And then I'm going to draw a line here that curves down and then goes over. And I'm going to leave this space empty right now. Then starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that curves up and then comes down right about here. And then I'm just going to curve this line down to right about there. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes in. And then I'm going to start here and draw a line that goes out and then down to right about there. Now over here, I'm going to make a couple little pointy lines. And then I'm going to draw this line down. Then I'm going to connect this line with a curve. And then I'm just going to make a little rectangle shape at the bottom here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little bump for an elbow. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a little line down for the other side of his jacket. And then I'm going to draw a line that comes down here. And then I'm going to make it a little bumpy right here. And then I'm going to go down just a little bit more. Now here, I'm going to go over with a straight line. Then I'm going to make a little V shape. Go over a little bit more and then come up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then back up. Then right here, I'm going to put a little V shape just for the other part of his jacket. Now for his hands. So let's start on this one. So first, I'm just going to draw a curved line like this. Then this finger is going to go out and then down and then curve back around like this. Then I'm going to go up with it just a little bit. Then this finger is going to go down over, and then it's going to kind of curve back around and follow that same shape. Then this one's going to do the same thing. And then this one's going to curve, do the same thing, and then have an extra curve right there. Now on each one of these fingers, I'm going to do this little curved line for a fingernail. And I'm going to put one extra line right there. Now on this one, first starting right here, I'm going to draw a little curve. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then curves back around and does one more curve like that for the thumb. Then this finger is going to curve down, and then it's going to go out and then come back around like this. Then I'm just going to draw a little straight line. Then I want to draw a line that goes out and then kind of curves around like this. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw another finger that kind of does the same thing. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves and then goes out and then comes around here for the last finger. Then I'll draw a little fingernail on here. And I'm going to add a couple little lines here just for some details on the fingers. Now right here by the arm, I'm going to draw a little line that comes down and back up for part of the jacket. And then I want to draw the rest of the jacket. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that curves around. And when I get to about here, I'm going to go up like this. Then coming right here, I'm just going to go across, then up and down, and then just over like that. Now for his pants. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, then up and down again, over, then up and down again, then over again, and then just going to come right back up to the jacket. Also on the jacket, you can make a little curved line for the pocket. Then coming right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. Then I'm going to make kind of like a square shape for his knee. Then I'm going to draw a diagonal line. Then up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. Then a line that goes over and down for the calf. And then for the bottom part of his pants. So this part of the pants is torn off from here. So to draw this, starting right here, I'm just going to make a triangle, and then another triangle like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then curves around, and then comes back to here. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then down. Then I'm just going to curve it around, go up, down, and then curve right around like this. Now for this shoe. So to draw this shoe, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a big curved line that goes down like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves here, makes a little V, and then it's going to curve all the way back to here. Then I'm going to come here and I'm basically going to draw the exact same shape of this, go up a little bit and curve here for the back part of the shoe. Then I'm going to put a couple little buckles on it like this. Now for this leg. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down. And then right here by the fingers, I'm going to just draw a line that goes down. Then I'm going to draw a little line here. And then starting right here, I'm going to make a big curve that goes right to here for the other foot. Now, right on top of this curve, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, up, and down to form a triangle. Then over, up, in, out, in, and then straight up like that. And then this one, I'm going to go down, over, and then up and over again. And then I'm just going to go down and then straight over like that. And there you go. There's your drawing of the zombie from Plants vs. Zombies. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.